Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. It's been a long time I haven't uploaded any video on this channel actually. But now I'm going to start a new subject. I'm planning to start a new subject actually because I'm getting many comments regarding two subjects I have chosen from those comments. Based on those comments, like one is DA, Design and Analysis of Algorithm, and second one is C language, right? So from these subjects I'm going to start one subject from today only. Actually in the evening I'm going to upload one video, so please tell me in the comment box which subjects you want me to start, or maybe if I'll get many comments regarding to start both the subjects like DA and C also, so maybe we can run both the subjects parallelly, right? One lecture for DA and on second day maybe about C language. On this channel actually I have uploaded videos regarding DSA, data structure and algorithms, and DBMS and operating system. Although DBMS and operating system playlists are not complete, because I have got many comments regarding this also, that ma'am, your operating system and DBMS playlist is sufficient, is it complete, is it sufficient for GATE and NET exam? So I haven't uploaded all the videos, it is not sufficient. Some on DBMS actually I have covered only normalization, functional dependencies and all. That is very important topic, right? And in operating system also I have uploaded only 30 to 31 videos. So I'm going to I'm planning to complete those playlist also, right, for specifically for GATE and NET exams, and also obviously these are helpful for BTech students also, right? So please tell me in the comment box which subjects you want me to start. Fine. So that is what I want to inform you now. From today only I am going to start the subject. I think in evening, if around 7, 8 or 9 o'clock I am going to upload one video, right? So now I am going to see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.